This decision means that the planned march by the Palestine Action Group on Sunday to the Opera House is now the subject of a prohibition order. That group was planning to hold an event which it expected would be attended by some 40,000 people to hold speeches in Hyde Park and then make their way to the Opera House forecourt. But New South Wales Police took them to court primarily on safety grounds. They said that the Opera House forecourt was not an area that could accommodate a crowd of that size, and police, when they gave evidence, expressed fears of a crowd crush. Now, this decision today, handed down by the Court of Appeal, that one of the judges who sat on this case, Judge Stephen Free, said that the court had considered things like the likely size of the crowd, the route of the march, the capacity at the destination, and public safety concerns. And he said, given all of those considerations, the public safety risk to not only participants but members of the public is extreme. The judge, in a summary of this decision, has said today that the mitigating factors that the protesters said could minimise those safety concerns were not enough to bring it down to an acceptable level. And the judge also said that the risk to public safety associated with this assembly is so significant that it would be irresponsible to let it go ahead. We've heard from one of the main organisers, Damien Ridgewell from the Palestine Action Group. Immediately after this decision, he and his representatives came out and said they had negotiated a different route with police. They're still going to hold an event on Sunday, but instead of going to the Opera House, they're going to fill George Street.